Welcome back, folks. Got another cool little episode for you today. This time we're going to be putting some new fat sticky tires on my green machine that I just picked up. They're probably not too sticky. It's a cheap set of National Renegade XTs. I got the white letters turned inside because I don't, have any matching white letters for the front. Got a really good deal on these tires. It was only about $220 for two of them mounted and balanced. What I'm going to have to do with them is, obviously, they're not going to fit. No room for travel right there. But fortunately, I was running a really thick wheel spacer, and that's what's responsible for a majority of the fitment issues. So with that off of there, it should slide right up on there. And we're going to take these fat-ass wheel spacers over here and put them on the Valiant, because the Valiant, like everybody knows, has some little tiny BD tires in the back. And when you look at it, especially from this angle, it just really shows that it doesn't have a lot of tire back there. So I figured that these spacers will help set them out a little bit and keep it from looking so bad. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna improve the look of both cars a little bit today. Well, there you go, guys. That's what it looks like with the fresh fat meats on it. Doesn't look too bad, if I say so myself. For a while, the rear tire profile has been slightly smaller than the front, and that's been bothering me just a little bit. Backwards rake. Nice fat tires. Valiant looks way better now too, for sure. Just can't see all that empty space back there where the gas tank used to be anymore. Same size tires, definitely fills up the wheel well a lot better now though. Oh yeah, that looks miles better. Still would like to get some nicer, wider tires for the back of this car, but you guys know me, I'm on a shoestring budget.